The inhaling of metallic particles like fly ash, due to this respiratory problem will happen. Okay, like asthma, lung cancer, etc. Okay, this all what we have to discuss in air pollution. Okay, now let's move on to the acid rain. Yes, what is acid rain? What you know about acid rain?
Sir, the rain whose water has acid.
Yes, so correct. Yes, yes. Aksar?
It has sulfur acid and nitrogen acid.
Yes, it.
It's very harmful.
It is.
Very harmful.
Yes, definitely, it is very harmful.
Because it is cross.
But first, before, let me know what do you mean by acid rain? What do you know about acid rain?
The rain has a large amount of acid in it.
Yes.
And it is because the water droplets combine with carbon molecules and form the
Not only-
carbonic acid.
Actually, what happened? Just acid rain, just the combination of acid and water. If you say in simple word, then sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide and water, these things combine and form acid rain. Okay, and in simple word, if you say acid rain, it's just the rain of acid. Okay, which is how it's formed. We will discuss. There's a chemical reaction. What are those? The chemical reaction takes place. We will discuss. I will write on board, inshallah. But I am explaining right now. Okay, and it is very harmful for the aquatic life as well as human, all the living organisms. Okay, even it is harmful for the trees and the aquatic life like fish, crocodile. All the aquatic life means those animals which live in the water. Okay, when acid rain happened, then fish will die, and all the aquatic animals may affected due to this. Okay. Yes. Now let's discuss how acid rain, okay, happened. As we know that when coal or any fuel is burned, then sulfur is produced. Oxide of sulfur and carbon are produced. Fine. So what happened when fossil fuel burns? It releases oxides of sulfur and carbon. Okay. Now what happened? This carbon further react with oxygen and form carbon dioxide. Okay. Now what happened? This carbon dioxide further react with water and form carbonic acid. Okay. This carbon dioxide further react with water and form carbonic acid, and its formula is H2CO3. What is it? If you have notebook, just write this. Okay. If you write, then you will also able to learn it. Okay. If you just see on burn, beta. Burn, or you can say combustion take place. Now, as we just discussed that oxide of sulfur react with oxygen, form carbon dioxide, and this carbon dioxide react with water to form carbonic acid. Similarly, the oxides of sulfur also react, means sulfur plus O2, it will form sulfur dioxide. Now sulfur dioxide also react with water, okay, and it will form sulfurous oxide. Okay. After that, what happened when it react with O and it forms sulfuric acid, H2SO4. Done. Now sulfuric acid is there, okay.
Sir, sulfurous acid reacts with only one atom of oxygen.
Sorry.
Sulfurous acid reacts with only one atom.
Yes. Now, as we know, nitrogen, oxygen, which is present in the atmosphere, nitrogen is present nearly 78% in the atmosphere, and oxygen is also present in the atmosphere, that is about around 21%, right? So what happened due to the thunderstorm, or electric current, what happened, they react, means N2 plus O2 it will form 2 and O. Okay. Now this react with oxygen. Okay.
These are very fast reactions.
Yes. 2NO plus O2. It will form 2NO. O4 should be there. Okay. 2 and O2. And this further react with water and oxygen and finally form nitric acid. Now finally what happened? Sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide in water combine and it's formed acid rain. Okay? Yes, now you got it to know that how the acid form in the atmosphere due to these harmful gases. Okay? How sulfur react with water and forms sulfurous oxide, okay, and similarly other as well. Yes. Now, the next is acid rain affect soil chemistry and water bodies. Okay. How the acid affect the soil chemistry and water bodies. Okay. What happens when acid rain takes place? Then it make the soil which is which is in the place in the land, it make it acidic. Okay. Because when there is a acid, then it will become acidic medium, no? Okay. So in this way the soil chemistry will disturb, and in this way the fertility of the soil also reduce. Okay. And we have to short out it. How we can neutralize anything? Suppose any medium is there,
How can we prevent from acid rain?
we have to reduce air pollution. That's all. We have to look for other sources of energy. Suppose nowadays mostly we are using coal and petroleum products. Okay. So to actually how we can prevent, your question is that okay, how we can prevent acid. Beta, don't write now. Okay. Yes. So what we have to do, we have to look for other sources of energy. Okay. On which we can switch. We can switch on solar, renewable source of energy, hydro, water energy. Okay. Hydroelectric and other so many, ocean thermal. We can use the renewable source of energy. One of the most commonly used nowadays, that is solar energy. Okay, nowadays you are able to see there are so many solar panels. Okay, and nowadays government also installing the solar plants as well. Okay, because as we know there is a coal and petroleum are in limited amount. Okay, and these are the fossil fuel. It takes too much time to become millions of years. After millions of years, it will form. If we are using it in a rapid or in a fast way, so what happens after a certain period? According to a latest survey, after 40, if we are using it this way, then after 40 years, it will be extinct from the earth. Okay, so what we have to focus on other at that time. Okay, nowadays renewable fuels are also available, except petrol and diesel like this. Okay, it is actually I didn't remember. Yes, CNG, but CNG is also the petroleum product. CNG is there, but it is also the petroleum product somehow. Compressed natural gas. Okay. Solar is one of the best option. Okay. Yes, I am asking how we suppose anything is in acidic medium, how we can neutralize it. You know about acidic medium, basic medium, you know all the things. What generally what will be the pH of acid? Yes, good. And basic? More than 7. If the 7? Water, which is known as? Neutral. If the pH, yes, what's your name? Yes. You know this? Okay. Yes, if the pH is greater than 7, then it will be basic, you can say, basic medium. If it is less than 7, it will be acid. Okay, and if it is pH is equal to 7, then it will be neutral. Right? Yes, my question is that how we can neutralize anything. Suppose any medium is in, any acidic medium is there, and how we can neutralize it. By adding base simply. If there is any acidic medium is there, okay, so you have to neutralize it, you just have to add base in it. then it will be neutralized. Okay. Yes.
Sir, what are base? What are the components of base?
Okay. You know about acid? What are acid? Acids are, acid denotes H plus ion, okay, whereas base denotes OH minus ion, okay.